Do you know that 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer? That's terrible. However, the prostate cancer is curable when it is detected in time. But there is a problem. The current diagnosis is unpleasant, inaccurate, and unprofitable. And this is the problem what iPASy technologies addresses. Serum PSA measurements, biopsy, rectal examination, all together are not enough accurate and very invasive for the patients. But in contrast, we have developed a urine-based test which allow you more than ever accuracy. iPASy is 6 times more accurate than anything else on the market. iPASy also allows the population-wide screening, non-invasive for the patients, and very easily adaptable in the existing clinical pipelines. How it works in the daily routine. The patients have to donate the urine sample even at home or at the doctor's office. Sent to us, we will analyze the sample less than a day, and then we will provide with the doctors whether the patient has cancer or has no cancer. It is so simple. The market is very huge. If we are talking just about the European Union, consider all men above 50, which is altogether more than 120 million people, allowing us 31 billion euro revenue annually. The estimated test price is 250, which is affordable. Of course, we did our homework and checked the background and the competition. There are other methods, there are other emerging methods on the market, however, none of them are allowing as high selectivity as iPASy with such a very non-invasive manner. Our history started back in 2016, and since that time we have continued the development of the technology, and in 2023 we have established our company. Since that time we have gained close to €500,000, but we have spent on finalizing the product development. Meanwhile, we got our patent granted in the European Union. We are just finishing the preparation for the mass production at the end of 2025. We have a very distinct plan for the upcoming years, showing how we will penetrate into the Hungarian and German market inside the European Union, and next to that, how we will settle the business in the United States. We have clinical partners who are involved in the development of the development process, and we are very proud of that we are partnered with Mayo Clinics, one of the best clinics of the world. We have granted patent inside the European Union. We have patent pending status in the United States, Canada, Japan. Our regulatory strategy is following the primary aim of the company to getting the CE mark and launch our first product in the European Union. Next to that, we are also preparing to be able to kick off the product in the United States after we got the FDA approval. Our business model includes 2 products. The MVP, which says whether the patient has cancer or has no cancer, can be sold as a service towards private customers and clinics, as well as can be sold as a kit, allowing the diagnostic laboratories to carry out the iPASy measurements. Later on, we will have an advanced product, meaning that we are able to say whether the patient has prostate cancer or no, or if has, then we can predict whether is it aggressive or non-aggressive, slow growing, fast growing, or resistant or not resistant. This product can be sold as a service as well towards the clinics and also in the form of a kit. On a large scale, iPASy allowing profitable prostate cancer screening because it makes it positive in the balance. Our financial history and projection showing that we're gonna be in the downest in 2027, and once we started selling the product, our cash flow will increase very dramatically. In our team, we have distinguished professors, young scientists, colleagues who are doing the administration in the back office, as well as developers who are really 100% committed towards our project. Me, as the CEO, have more than 10 years of experience doing business in the medtech era. The cap table so far is very simple and suitable for further investment because we still hold 80% of the company. Right now, we are looking for 1.2 million euro, which will allow us to finalizing the clinical trialing of the method and getting the CE mark inside the European Union. Join us to help men and do a pretty good business.